Hi everyone, this is Aras from English for Everyone, and today in this video I am going to talk about this expression, say to leave someone high and dry, just like a ship in a coast, high and dry, out of water, in trouble. Okay, so we use this when we leave someone or when someone leaves us with no help. Okay, so if you leave someone high and dry, means you leave someone, you just do whatever you are doing, you get busy with your stuff when someone else needs you, when someone else, well, thought you are going to help or needed you or asked you to be there. Okay, someone says, will you help me with these stuff, with these things? I say, sure, I'll be there. Yeah, I'll do that. And then, so they get busy with that. They order the, I don't know, the thing, the project, and they start it. And then, when you are needed, you are not there. When I am needed, I'm not there. So I have left the person high and dry. Okay, maybe they have counted on me, but I haven't turned up and have left them high and dry. So as you can see, we say someone leaves someone else high and dry. So this one, the second one, is the object. So we say left them or left me or left her, him. So we use this one as the object. So if needed, when we use the subjective pronoun, objective pronoun, we need the object pronoun. So bear this in mind. We can say she left no, I have to say she left me high and dry. Alright? Okay, now let's look at the examples, then the meaning will be more clear. Okay, let's see how it is used in the sentence. All my workers quit and left me high and dry. Okay, I have some workers and I rely on them, and I am thinking, I am considering the job getting finished, let's say, or I'm thinking of I rely on these workers and my job depends on these guys, but they quit. So I am helpless. I am left alone. Okay? To express that, to show that, I say they quit and left me high and dry without any help. Okay? Any support. They switched to a cheap supplier and left us high and dry. Okay, I am a supplier. Okay, we are a supplier company or something like this, and we supply to these guys and we give them the material they need. Alright, but they switch to another person which can supply the same thing for a cheaper price or something like this, for a Chinese copy maybe, and then we are left high and dry. Okay, they never call us, they never pay us, they never buy from us, and we are left high and dry. We are left with no support, with no help. We were left high and dry when our car ran out of gas. Okay, imagine you're driving in the middle of nowhere and the car just gets turned off and it just runs out of gas, and you are left high and dry. You are there with no help. You can't get help. So when we are in such situations, a car or a company or someone leaves us when we rely on them, doesn't help us when they don't help us when we rely on them, then we can say we were left high and dry. Mainly means that we could do nothing. Alright, so this is the expression. You can use it in the situations. Think of the scenarios, the places that you might use it, and make as many examples, make as many as sentences as you can. Think of the different situations and practice this at home or in your group. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.